Ensuring a healthy work environment has always been part of our culture here, and recently we have introduced a new health and safety and environmental hub, which is aimed at ensuring a zero harm environment.
We've made a significant investment in this safety hub. This has involved both financial investment and also additional resources from both inside and outside of the organisation. It's taken over 12 months for us to develop this safety hub.
The new digital hub gives us cloud-based, centralised health and safety management across all of our 9 divisions. The beauty about the system is all the information is in real time, and everybody has access at the appropriate level to the same information.
So we're utilising the safety hub to improve our knowledge of what happens in the organisation, where we can improve in the organisation, and as a result of that, improve our processes going forward.
The most important thing is the hub provides a culture of accountability. It allows us to monitor all of our accidents, near misses and incidents across the business, and it allows us to audit and monitor how we're progressing on resolving issues as they arise.
Audits can be carried out on site using such devices as tablets and mobile phones. These audits can be completed in real time. It allows you to schedule the audits, create the templates, and also raise actions from those audits.
Health and safety is of great importance to Wimp Action. As a company, we have a responsibility to ensure the safety of our employees and everyone else who enters the site. The new safety hub has greatly improved operations. Hazard and incident reporting is more effective and there's less time spent on paperwork and administration.
It is quite clear that there has been a lot of engagement has gone on in the development of the hub. In my view, it's a fantastic tool, managing tool for the senior managers within the organisation. I'm really impressed with the real-time effects of it.
Actions on our new system can be raised from incident accident investigations, they can be raised from hazards, audits, or even ad hoc. There is a traceability for all actions that have been raised and an accountability. If it's assigned to a person, that person must follow through and complete and close out the action.
We have a duty of care to ensure that employees, when they come to work, they're safe and they go home safe. So we have to ensure that they're equipped with the relevant skills, qualifications and ability to be able to do their job.
Given the scale and diversity of the company, it is a challenge to manage the different training requirements. The new system makes this much easier and allows us to ensure consistent delivery across our sites.
We have 814 employees, and with that there's a vast range of training. So with the system we're able to plan it, we're able to identify who needs to attend the training, we're able to ensure that employees are compliant.
It's easy to identify training requirements using a colour-coded traffic light system. Alerts go to relevant managers before an employee's training is due, which allows for the training to be scheduled in advance in line with operational needs.
One of the greatest challenges in our setup was the fact that we have such a large number of contractors from all disciplines, specialised works and others across the business, which we've had to ensure are involved in the project.
It's a health and safety management system primarily, but it also allows for full traceability regarding the management of contractors, their staff and all of the relevant documentation.
This system allows us to see what employees work for what company, all of their employees' training records, and also their documentation in relation to risk assessments, insurances, method statements, and any plant certificates as well. We also have the ability to deliver online video-based training, such as some site inductions, which can be delivered prior to arrival on site.
With a lot of contractors on the site, it's important to know that they're trained and competent to carry out the work. Managing training and ensuring compliance is much easier with the Safety Hub. One of the key benefits is that we now receive alerts in advance to let us know when training is due.
The subcontractors are now seeing the benefit of it, where everything is standardised. A lot of what they need to do is done at an early stage in the process. And as well as that, I suppose, what we're trying to do is we're trying to make life as easy as possible, not alone for ourselves, for the subcontractors as well. And compliance with various work permits and everything else is very important to us, and it should be important to the subcontractors as well.
Investing in a system like this demonstrates a serious commitment to improving health and safety and making health and safety everybody's responsibility in the company. It should ensure a safer workplace for all and go a long way to our goal of achieving a safer by competence workforce.
Making a change like this requires a significant culture change, and we have had to involve all of the people from factory floor to senior board level members of the company.
The company culture has to be driven from the top, and that has been impressive. There's very few companies in Northern Ireland actually take the time out to look at the direction in which they want to take the company.
Ensuring the health and safety of our employees remains the most important thing that we can do in our daily work, and we need to make sure that we have the technology and the systems, and we continue to develop the system we have now installed.
It's about making the organisation safer, improving our procedures, because at the end of the day, it's the health and welfare of everybody who comes to work in Quinns. It's their health and welfare that's the important thing for us, and you can't put a price on that.